Hello, this is Nina again, and today I am reviewing this product, and this is going to be my first time opening it with you all. So, it's called Marie, and it's Marine Collagen Eye Gels. Basically, you put them under your eyes, and it's supposed to help with puffy eyes, dark circles, which is my big thing, and eye bags, little eye bags. Yep, and it's 12 pairs, and it's dermatologist recommended, and it has hyaluronic acid and pearl extract. I never used anything under my eye before, so this is my disclaimer. Hopefully, my eyes are tolerant. I don't usually have allergies to a lot of things, so I'm figuring this is something that I could try with minimal, if no, complications. Usually, if something burns, I stop immediately, so I'm hoping that it's more soothing than burning. So it says it has an anti-aging effect, made with natural ingredients. Well, the box even has a little scent. It has unique colors, so I guess the patches have colors. It is biodegradable glitter. It has red algae in it and pearl extract. It is an American brand, and it's ethically sourced. So that's always a good thing. Meaning they take pride in how they make it. It's not just cheap product put together. It's made with some type of integrity, and they're using actual natural great ingredients. So of course the first step is you clean your face and make sure it's dry. As you see, I just washed my face and I dried it. And I'm gonna take that and open it. Ooh, right away. Yes, very pretty colors. Let's show off these very pretty packaging. You got pink, you got a turquoise, pretty pink, you got this pretty royal blue, so you got another pink, like a light pink, this is more fuchsia, light pink, and then you got a baby blue, and my favorite, purple. So the packaging is pretty, right? These are some pretty colors, and then this is the other side. Ooh, even beautiful. This kind of reflects the ocean, because hence it's made, inspired by products of the ocean. So this looks like coral reefs and waves and shells, pretty shells, if you can see. Yep. The leaves, the ocean. So this is very pretty. So I'm going to start with this one. No preference. I'm just going to start with this one. Oh, it happens to be the purple. So I'm going to put your wrist back. The box is pretty too. So I hope this product works as good as it looks. Sometimes your packaging that looks pretty. Product is not always the best, but I'm hoping, because this is my first time. So, okay. So is the gel color is Marie Lilac. So it's actually a lilac. I'm going to shake it because it has a little slit here where you probably can tear. You would tear it open across here. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I said apply. So I'm going to tear it open like so. I tear it open and I open it, and most likely, oh, wow, this is pretty. This is pretty. It's very moist already. So I'm assuming that I take it from here and just apply it to the eye. So let me just make sure. So it says apply. So to apply, I'm assuming the narrow part, oh yeah, it's gel. I don't even think it's reusable. I'm assuming the narrow part goes in the inner lid. Like this. I never ever use these, so I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna close my eyes so I can get close to the eye as possible and just pat. My eyes are so funny. They're so little. So I want to get it in my eye. I'm so scared. I'm thinking it's like this. Ooh, that's so pretty. Oh, it's too close to my eye. I'm thinking it's like that. and it stays. I can shake, it doesn't fall off. You just apply a little pressure. And same thing with the other. My husband is gonna be like, what in the world was that? So I did the same thing with the other side. I did very close my eyes and put it close to it as possible, or press down and go like that. And put it down a little puppy pad, like, yep. So I have it underneath. I'm gonna leave it like that. And basically this is what it looks like. So far it's soothing. It does not burn, thank goodness. I'm a little weirded out because again, it's the first time I'm using a product like this close to my eye. I use eye cream, but I never used a product like this. So and also it says leave on for 15 minutes and then you throw it away, and then you pat the remaining. So I'm gonna set the time for 15 minutes. I'm gonna leave it under my eye. Let's see what happens. But this is what it looks like. So I'll be back in 15 minutes so you can see the after. I'm back. My 15 minutes is up. Let me review it again. So I clean my face and I pat it dry. I apply it to the eye area, as you see, under the eyes. And it sticks nicely. It doesn't slide off or anything. I kind of sat still, but I feel like if I was moving around a little bit, that it still wouldn't slide off. So I love that. Even when I smile, that's pretty cool. Okay. I also love the glitter. The packaging is beautiful. This glitter is exquisite. Fabulous, fabulous eye patches. So I love that. So now here goes the great reveal. I'm going to take the first ones off. And I'm going to pat. It says pat excessive product under the eye. I'm going to do the same with this. Reveal and then pat excessive product under and around the eye. I mean, of course, it's not going to work in one sitting, but I will try it again. So far, this is what I'm working with. Marine Collagen Eye Gels by Marie for the under eyes.